let's start by covering some WordPress basics. What is it and why has WordPress become so popular? To begin, WordPress is a web-based application, meaning it runs on a web server, also known as a hosting account, and allows your site to be created and maintained through a web browser, and therefore it can be used equally well from PC, Macintosh, Linux, whatever. WordPress is a content management system, or CMS. This means that you can create and maintain a website through an administrative interface, including a automatically generated navigation structure, etc., without needing to know HTML or learn any other tool. WordPress is the world's most popular CMS. About 20% of websites worldwide are now designed in WordPress, and the vast majority of small business websites. WordPress is an open source software, meaning it was created by thousands of programmers all over the world and put into the public domain, so it is free to use. WordPress is written in PHP and MySQL. PHP is a web-based programming language, and MySQL is a relational database for the web. But the beauty of WordPress is that you don't need to mess with either of these normally, or even understand what they are. And last, WordPress can create either a blog or a static site. Now, most small business websites are static sites, or else static sites in combination with the blog, and we'll get into this a bit later. So why use WordPress? Well, to begin, WordPress is an excellent platform for creating a small business or professional website. It's quick to learn, but very powerful, and gives you complete control of your site. It's also great for membership sites. These are sites where you sell your content for a fee or any kind of monetization. No special software is required on your computer. All you need is a browser and a hosting account. WordPress comes with thousands of free themes and plugins. Now, a theme gives you the look and feel of your site, whereas a plugin is something like an app for WordPress. It adds additional functionality. We'll cover this in detail later. And last, it is very easy to fall in love with WordPress. The elusive goal of simple and powerful website development for non-technical people is now here. Previous platforms were either too difficult to learn, such as Joomla or Drupal, proprietary and too limited, such as a GoDaddy Website Tonight, or expensive.